Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Alliance Iron Mine in Whiteout Survival. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so let's start off with what is an Alliance Iron Mine? Alliance Resources Iron Nodes. So these are iron resource nodes, which are called iron mines that are controlled within Alliance territory instead of just your own city buildings. Some Alliance buildings, resources like facilities, Alliance resource location, and Alliance iron mines require your Alliance to build out territory via banners to cover those nodes. So now here are the steps how to get an Alliance Iron Mine. So you need to join or form an Alliance. And to do that, go ahead and look at the bottom of your game here. Click on Alliance, either join or create your own. Now, without that, Alliance only resources aren't available. Now, we need to research or unlock Alliance Territory HQ in Tundra if needed. So click on the territory here. So the Alliance needs to research, meet those for buildings and HQ and or for banners in those areas. Then you want to go ahead and place banners to expand your territory. So you build banners which cover squares around them 7 by 7 to grow territory. This territory must overlap or connect with existing banners to expand the territory properly. Then from here, locate the iron node, so iron mine node or on the world map. So use the map with resources overlay, find an Alliance iron mine node or iron resource node reserved for alliances within reach of your alliance expanding territory. Now we need to ensure the node is covered by your alliance territory, so the node needs to be covered sufficiently by your alliance territory, often a threshold like 75% covered by your banners to be claimed. Then from here your alliance occupies and claims it. So once you have enough banners and your territory covers the node, the alliance can occupy or gain the benefits construction. Then alliance members can gather resources iron from there or get the resources passively during on game mechanics.